What if I could show you in just a few minutes everything that you needed to include in a $25,000 project so that you could create 5-figure products and services very, very quickly? Doesn't matter what the audience is, doesn't matter what your market is, doesn't matter what the customer is, and even better, I'm going to actually show you how to create product offers all the way down through all the price points so that you have high ticket products, you can have passive income products, recurring revenue products, and everything in between. And even betterer, you can do this with your clients. So you can go through it with them and figure out what their pricing structure needs to be in order to maximize the amount of profit they make. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, I want you to grab a sheet of paper or a notebook. Remember, you can actually download this whiteboard by going to sellyourservice.co.uk/whiteboard, and you can actually get everything that I'm writing out on screen here. This exercise was taught to me when I was really trying to figure out how am I going to sell a $25,000 product? What is it that I'm actually going to give someone? At the time, I'd only ever built websites for sort of $2,000, $3,000, and someone said you really need to be charging $10,000, $25,000. And my first initial reaction was, I don't even know what I would deliver for that, because part of the problem is I was already delivering so much stuff. I was giving them a website and support and free hosting, and I'd work with them for a year, and if they had little changes, then I'd sort of go and make those changes for them for free, and I'd do their email marketing, I'd do their copy, and because I'd be working with certain types of clients, they'd say we don't have anyone to write the website, so I'd write all of that stuff, and then I'd do their social media, and I was doing all that for like $3,000, and I was like at breaking point. So the idea of doing $25,000 worth of work seemed almost impossible to me. But when someone explained this to me, this methodology, is a guy called Sean Mize, by the way, you can go up and look him up. I've been a fan of Sean for years and years and years and years and years. He was one of the first kind of online teachers I kind of came across. He taught me this method. So we know that our goal price, if we look at this kind of board here, is $25,000. The first thing I want you to actually figure out is if someone came to work with you, it doesn't really matter what market they're in, doesn't matter who they are, doesn't matter what kind of products and services they sell. If they had to give you $100,000, what would you give them in order for them to think, oh my God, this was money well spent? This is kind of like a, what do they call them? A thought experiment. We're going to think a little bit outside the box, and maybe your price is $100,000, in which case I want you to say, well, if someone was giving you $1 million, what would you give them? The point is it has to be way higher than anything that you would ever charge. Our goal is $25,000, so we're going to start with $100,000. What would you give them? Maybe if someone gave me $100,000, I would probably fly them out to a specific location, and we'd work one-on-one for a week for a start. And this is how I want you to go through this. List out everything that they would get for $100,000. We would have, calls, maybe 2 to 3 times a week after this kind of initial like one-on-one time together. I would also fly them out, like that would include the flight, the ticket, probably the hotel as well. And I know this is going to seem insane, but I need you to trust me. When I went through this exercise, I came out the other end with a $25,000 product. And subsequently, I've done this a bunch more times. And each time my offer has got better because I've gone through this. And what's really cool about this process is that we're always talking about offer hierarchy, where you want to have like a free product and then a low ticket product and then like a recurring revenue product and then a high ticket product. This methodology will help you go through this entire process so that you constantly have like a sales ladder for people to move up. So we're going to start with $100,000. If they give you $100,000, what are we going to get them? Maybe a hotel. I'm also probably going to do, of course, like their website. I'll do their hosting. I would probably hire, not that they would know, but I would probably hire someone to do a lot of this for them. But they would also get like all their email campaigns done. That would probably cover maybe 2 to 3 months worth of ads, as in the actual traffic spend. But I would also create their ads for them as well. We do their copywriting. They would get like a personalized series of workshops with me. I would also work with their actual team. I'm going to list out everything they're going to get for $100,000. Here's the important part. I want you to spend 15 minutes doing this, just brain dumping everything that you would think about. The way that I like to do it is I like to actually get my phone and I just hit record and I just kind of talk to the phone and get it to transcribe it later. So what is everything that I'm going to include for $100,000? Next, I want you to imagine that the next person, you've sold that $100,000 program. The next person doesn't have $100,000. They only have $50,000. What do you do with that person for $50,000? But here's the trick. You can only use things from the $100,000 mark or pare it down a little bit. For example, maybe they do get a location like one-on-one with you at some kind of resort. Maybe they do get the flight, but they only get 6 months worth of calls, like once a week. Maybe. You know, for you might think for $50,000, I'll have a conversation with them every single day. Whatever works for you. Then think about, they'd get a website. They get all their ad creative, but we probably won't be able to do any of their traffic for them. So in this particular case, they won't get their traffic. Maybe they do get some copy and they get their email campaign set up, but rather than full-on workshops with their team, they get one workshop and we'll have a series of calls, like check-in calls with them afterwards instead. So I want you to strip down everything that they would get for $50,000. Here's what's really interesting about this exercise. The more you go through this, the more you'll start to think, that's quite a lot of effort for the money. Maybe I don't want to give them all this stuff. You can probably see where we're going with this. Next up, what I want you to do is think about what do they get for then $25,000? And again, I want you to take things from the $50,000 range. What if the next customer only has $25,000? So you'll say to them, okay, we won't get, I'm not going to fly you out to a specific location one-on-one for this. But for $25,000, I will do a one-on-one workshop for a day at their office. And then we'll have calls like once a week for the next 12 weeks. We'll certainly do your website. We'll do your email. We'll do your copy. We'll do some ad creative, but we won't actually do any traffic for this one. Like 25,000 is just not enough to do the traffic for this. We won't necessarily work with your team, but we will give them email support. And perhaps instead of a lot of the other stuff from the previous ones, we're going to open up a Slack or a Discord. I personally would use something like GoCollab. That's what I would use. I'll put a link to that down below. And this is how we'll work together. And this is what we'll end up doing. And I envisage this being sort of like a 3 to 4 month process. That's what they would get for $25,000. Now you are allowed to go backwards and forwards throughout these different exercises and say, I actually don't want to offer this. I think that's too much work for $25,000 or for $50,000. And you're allowed to do that. That's why this exercise is so valuable. Here's the real magic trick. I now want you to go through this list here at all these different price points and answer, well, what if the next customer only had $10,000? Maybe they get the one-on-one, they get the calls, they get some kind of workshop, and they get a GoCollab community, but they don't get a one-on-one workshop and they don't get a full website and the email. Maybe for $5,000, they get the one-on-one calls once a week. They get a community where their team can contact us and have conversations with us. We'll take care of their hosting, but we'll actually give them a course. And you can go down through these price points. $10,000, $5,000, $3,000. Around the $3,000 to $5,000 is what you want to be looking at for recurring revenue. If we look again at that kind of price point sheet, a high ticket means anything over $10,000. Ideally, what I want you to be aiming at is $2,000 a month. That is what high ticket means to me. Recurring revenue means anything over $1,000 a month, ideally, but there's no reason why you couldn't say, well, actually, we have a $200 a month program and it's got hosting. That can be your recurring revenue. That doesn't really matter. Something low ticket, and there's actually a middle one here in the middle. This middle one is typically what we call your core offer. Sometimes recurring revenue might be more, your core offer might be more. I wouldn't worry too much about the specifics. The point is that your core offer needs to be $3,000 worth of profit. What that means is that if you sell this product, it has to be $3,000 worth of margin built into it. So if you sell a $5,000 program or course and it costs you $2,000 to run it, that should be $3,000 left in profit after the customer buys. This is why building websites and funnels is so unprofitable, because people have that as their core offer. Realistically, a very profitable core offer offer should be something like, and if we went through this process, you would see, you might go, well, actually, they'll get one-on-one calls once a month, and we will also help them with some templates. And we've also got like a few learning pieces as well, like some course stuff. That would be exponentially more profitable than trying to do $25,000 worth of work for $3,000. And then again, we just go down the list. $499, $120. A lot of people always say, oh, Mike says everything should be $25,000. And that's not true. What I think is $25,000 worth of work should be $25,000. What I don't like is when people deliver $25,000 worth of work, but they only charge $3,000 to $5,000 for it. Go through this list, start listing out everything else that you would want to offer. And when you've put this together, watch this video here because it will take you through how I have built a $150,000 passive income funnel using only 3 pages, no ads, no cold calling, no SEO, and it takes 2 or 3 of these products, and you'll know exactly, well, how do I build out these products here for this particular funnel? And like I said, this makes me $150,000 a year passive income. I don't touch it. It's extremely profitable, and it sells a very high ticket product on the back end, and it will take you through that entire process on how to use everything you've learned today inside the funnel, and of course, build it with customers too.